Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Lisa. And today I was really craving those spicy noodles that I've ate before in one of my videos. Have I ate it in two videos maybe? Anyways, it's the black package spicy noodles. And then I also have some rice cakes in here along the edges. Let me hold it up for you. And those are a spicy hot chicken flavored rice cake. I am so hungry and this has been sounding so good, but I just poured the sauce and everything, so it's all kind of mixed together. And I already made a mess and got some in the tip of my hair when I was trying to sit down. So last time I was on here, the last video I made, I said that we're putting in an offer on a house. Well, we didn't get that one, but now we're waiting to hear back from another house. So hopefully we'll get this one. Okay, let's try this all mixed together. Really good. So spicy, but I love it. What are you doing? Why do you have your shirt tucked in like that? It's actually pretty hot temperature-wise, too.
I could feel the spices in there.
This is so good. Maybe it's also with those sauces from the rice cakes. Alright, and then this is going to be my first time trying this spiked island seltzer, Kona spiked island seltzer. The flavor for this one is tropical punch.
Hey, yo.
Please tell me it tastes like fruit, like Hawaiian punch, but alcohol. Ew, no. That's not a hopeful face.
Tastes like seltzered water.
I mean, it is a seltzer.
You gotta hit him with it.
Ooh-wee!
Your ass can't. It's from, Mr. Meeseeks from Rick and Morty. Before they talk, some of them go, ooh-wee. Or like whenever something exciting happens, they're like, ooh-wee.
Huh, that's funny. It is so good, but it is very spicy. Kind of stuck together. Oh no, this is so hard for me to eat right now. Ooh, hot. Temperature wise. My lips are stinging, but this is so good and I can't stop eating it.
He's gone to it. He's gone to Brazil.
And I actually like this the tropical punch. It's pretty good. It's only 5% alcohol, but I really wanted something that was going to be lighter than some of the other drinks that I get.
Not everybody.
I love the texture of rice cakes. So I finished. I don't know if if I was still watching it or if I had finished it, that American God show, but I have finished it now. I'm really sad that it's canceled. And now I'm watching Tidelands on Netflix. Excuse me. Ew. Ooh. The spice gets to you. The taste.
All my contact and power are at 90, 93.
And my nails, okay, I am so shocked. So normally around 3 weeks is when they start looking, you know, a little rough. Like, I should definitely get either a fill that week or just soak them off. And now my next appointment is closer to the wedding time frame, so I will just soak this set off once they start looking bad. But honestly, 3 weeks, and this is like the best a set has ever held up. They look so good still. I'm really happy about it.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Oh, that's so hard.
Definitely like the little bit of cheesy pack that came with the rice case complements this so well.
You sure I'm playing fucking Ariel in his fucking wrist flick pitch style. I just hit a perfect home run. No daughter.
It's not as hard to eat when it's not touching your lips as much. My lips are just burning. It's probably because I'm not super hydrated right now. I tell you that as I'm drinking alcohol. My lips have been really chapped and I have like a really bad nervous habit of chewing on them. And this last weekend, I had something that was a little nerve-wracking to go to. So I just chewed the shit on my lips.
No.
Mm. I've been trying to be better about remembering to rate shows or movies once I've completed watching them. That way my like recommended things are better for me. Wow, I really keep hitting that. I'm sorry. Should put some chapstick on after this.
Yeah, where is he, bro?
And we're going to San Antonio with like no furniture. And most of our savings are going to the house. So it's going to take us a while to fill our big old house, but I told him I don't care as long as we have the house that we want. And then we eventually save our money for the pieces that we really love for the house.
Yeah, it's harder, right, for some reason.
Oh.
Yeah. You have to account for the timing. Yep. You have to account for the timing from it, which is.
We have our tasting tomorrow. And what else? I'm probably not going to get my hair redone before the wedding. I think it's where I like it to be right now at the moment. Hopefully the dark, like the low lights that she put in there, don't fade as much before the wedding. I mean, we literally have, in 2 days, it'll be only 3 weeks away from the wedding. Which today is the last day for everybody to RSVP. And let me tell you, there's still like half of our guests that haven't RSVP'd. So it's a little sad, but I guess it's also, like, I don't know if anybody forgot. I did send out a reminder like a week and a half ago. Almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago. It was like 10, it was on the 1st. And I said, yeah, so May 1st I wrote a message saying to everybody that hadn't RSVP'd yet, they needed to. And that the 10th, which is today, was the last day. And now I wouldn't really be as strict normally, but I have to make a seating chart now. And I have to make the seating chart based on vaccinated and unvaccinated and households and such. So I have to know exactly who is going where, and if they're not on my guest list that RSVP'd, they're not allowed to be there. So if somebody tells me late, then it's kind of like, oh, well, sorry, you know? So let's hope that everybody RSVPs by the end of today. It's already late afternoon.
What's your batting average?
Actually, no, it's evening.
You could call it right now.
Anyway, I think I've had enough of this spicy. I might come back and eat an ice cream. I know I always say that and never do, but this time I'm really going to set up this stuff. I'm going to cook my husband dinner, and then I'm going to come back and turn this back on. Okay? So I'll be right back. I'm back, and I just got a Klondike bar. This one says, what would you do for a Klondike? Go to the D&B and throw yourself a birthday party. Okay, sure.
I'm at 55.
I haven't had a Klondike in a really long time.
No, I got the warning track. You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. It's good timing.
I have a huge sweet tooth.
Bro, why don't to me.
I'm so excited for our wedding cake.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so good.
Boys. What is hair for you? No, you did not. Kevin. Oh my god. You sent a picture?
I don't want to spoil the surprise of the flavor of it. So after the wedding, I'll tell everybody. How are all of you? How's your day been going?
Good timing, pop right to center. I'm a catcher. Yo, first baseman is really catching those fucking like those little pop balls that get thrown from like second to shortstop. Like they really be catching the shit every time.
They're pretty messy.
That's just right. Fuck you, man.
I'm so excited to have my own kitchen. A really nice big kitchen. I'm so excited. I'm just thinking about all the meals I can cook and the things that I can bake. My husband is posing back here. Oh, it's so good. Alright, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoy making these videos for you. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. What? Do I have something on my face?
You have sauce on your chin.
I think it's been too long since I've had spicy food. Making me struggle today. I really just drew it on myself.